Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2022 for engineering mathematics. Evaluate double integration xy root over divide root over 1 minus y squared dx dy over the positive coordinate of the circle x square plus y square is equals to 1. So this is the question in the house of double integral, and here given a double integration xy divide 1 by y square dx dy. So at first just draw the circle. So this is the coordinate x and y coordinate, and here is the circle. So this is O, x and y, and here is the point P. So this one is the portion, that is PQ, and x is equal to 0 is the axis here. So this point is 0 1, and this point is 1 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0. So now this is PQ, here A point and here B. So now move on to the question. This area is bounded by the, this is the area bounded by the curve. So now move on, that is, so let us integrate first with respect to y and then with respect to x. So here y1 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to root over of 1 minus x square, and x1 is equals to 0 and x2 is equals to 1. So now double integration xy divide root over of 1 minus y square, that is equal to, we may say, x1 to x2 x double integration y1 is equals to 0 to y2 is equal to root over of 1 minus x square and with respect y divide 1 minus y square d by dx. So now this one is equal to minus of half integration 0 to 1 x integration y1 is 0 to root over of this one, so y1 to y2. So here integrate, when you integrate, so this one is equal to half taking common, so here 2y 1 minus y square to the power minus of dy dx. So now this one is equal to minus of half integration 0 to 1 x into 1 minus y square whole minus of between the limit y1 is equal to 0 to y2 is equal to root over of 1 minus x square dx. So that is equal to minus of integration x 0 to 1 and x minus 1 dx. So now integrating this one, so minus is into the bracket, so here x minus x square dx, so x minus x square dx. Now integrating this one, so x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 between the limit 0 to 1, so that is equal to 1 by c. So it is our required solution. So this is the whole solution of question 3. Now moving to question 4. So now question 4 tells us, that is, evaluate by changing into polar coordinates to 0 to a and y to a x square dy dx by x square plus y square to the power 3 by 2 is equal to what? So this is also a GATE sample question. First plot the coordinate again. So this one is equal to x, y coordinate x and y 0. Now this is the axis, line y is equal to x, this one is equal to y is equal to a, this one is equal to x is equal to a, and this is the portion P, so it is OP. So here at the point P, we know A is equal to r cos theta, r cos of theta. So as x is equal to a is equal to r cos theta, so therefore r is equal to what? R is equal to a by cos of theta. Okay, so now this one, when you change convert polar coordinate, Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate, then differentiating with respect to r first. So here put x is equal to r cos of theta, and y is equal to r sin of theta. Okay, so now integrating with respect to r square cos square theta r d theta, and denominator is r square with respect to whole 3/2. So double integration r cos square theta dr d theta, as r cube and r cube is cancelled off. So just dividing this one, r theta 2 to theta 1 to theta 2 cos square theta into r1 is equal to 0 to r2 is equal to a by cos of theta 1 dr d theta. Just putting the limit. So here we get 0 to pi by 4 cos square theta a by cos of theta minus 0 d theta. So now integrating once again, so we get integration 0 to pi by 4 a cos of theta d theta. So that is equal to a by root 2. So we reached, it is our required solution. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.